Welcome to Kex Construction Engineering. How to construct a low-cost raft foundation and when to use raft foundation in building. Foundation layout. Setting out and marking of foundation layout. Ready for excavation. Excavation in progress. Raft foundation is a type of shallow foundation. Hence, the foundation depth will be shallow. Casting of 100 mm lean concrete blinding. This 100 mm concrete is sufficient to protect the rebars from corrosion. Raft beam reinforcement preparation. Beam reinforcement details. 250 by 1000 to 100 mm raft beam. Installation of the already prepared beam reinforcement. Fixing them one after the other as designed. Following the raft foundation beam layout. The reinforcement diameter of the beams is 16 mm. Links Y10 to 150 mm center-to-center spacing. When do we adopt or use raft foundation in building construction? Raft foundation is used in building construction when soil has low bearing capacity, the structure carries heavy loads, or there is a risk of uneven settlement. I will explain more towards the end of the video for better understanding. Fixing of column reinforcement. In this design, we have the sizes of column. 450 by 250 mm columns and 250 by 250 mm columns. Y20 and Y16 are the column's rebar diameters. Reinforcement work completed. Preparation of beam formwork. Framing marine plywood properly so it can stand concrete pressure. Stacking the framed formwork on site for easy use. Construction of formwork following the raft beam layout. And ensuring proper alignment of beam to grid lines. Formwork completed. Inspection of formwork and ensuring proper bracing. Inspection completed. Ready for casting of the beam. Casting in progress. Casting of grade 20 concrete. Ensuring proper vibration with poker vibrator. To increase the load-bearing capacity of the foundation and to prevent honeycomb. Casting completed. Curing. Formwork removal. Wait a minute, do you like my work here? Please support me, like, comment, and share my videos. Thanks. Back to work. Ready for filling and backfilling. Filling the panels with stable material. Watering and compacting with plate compactor. Checking and ensuring proper compaction and consolidation. Note, watering and compaction is done layer by layer. To ensure proper compaction and consolidation. Filling and compaction completed. Ready for 200 mm hardcore filling. Filling with hardcore. Well compacted to 100 mm hardcore filling completed. Fixing of damp-proof membrane DPM. This helps to reduce water from the foundation. DPM fixed completely. Placing of 50 mm concrete cover to provide sufficient cover to the slab reinforcement. Ready for raft slab reinforcement. Fixing of the first bottom bars. Y12 to 100 mm center to center spacing. Fixing of the second bottom reinforcement. Y12 to 100 mm center to center spacing. 50 mm concrete cover well placed. Fixing of horse benches. This helps to maintain the effective depth of the raft slab. By separating the top bars from lapping on the bottom bars. Fixing of the top bars. Y12 to 100 mm center to center spacing. At this point, do you have any question? Feel free, drop it at the comments section. I will answer you. If you like my work here, support me by sharing my videos. You will learn a lot of construction work here. So continue to like, comment, and share my videos. Back to work. Horse benches well fixed to separate the top bars from the bottom bars. Mechanical work, installation of PVC pipes. Following the mechanical detail drawing. Mechanical work completed. Fixing of slab formwork. This raft foundation slab is 250 mm thickness. According to the structural design, this thickness is sufficient for the foundation. Carrying the final check, ensuring that everything is well fixed, placed and installed before proceeding to casting. At this point, the structural and mechanical engineer needs to carry out a thorough check to ensure strict compliance to design standard and drawings. Ready for casting. Casting of the raft slab. Casting and vibrating with poker vibrators. Casting completed. Curing. Ready to remove slab formwork. It's advisable to remove it with care for it to be reusable. Raft foundation completed. In detail, raft foundation is used in building construction. When soil has low bearing capacity, the structure carries heavy loads, or there is a risk of uneven settlement. It distributes the building's weight evenly over a large area, making it ideal for weak soils, waterlogged areas, basements, and expansive soils. Raft foundations are also cost-effective compared to deep foundations like piles in certain conditions. I post videos once or twice every week. Like and share this video. Stay tuned for more construction videos. Thanks for watching.